Okay, our plan was to go for a walk, but as you can see, between sitting and lying down and watching the birds, he's not so interested. Yoshi, come on, let's take a walk. Hello guys! So, today is a very special day and it has come at quite a surprise. So, little did I know when I was packing my bag for a couple of weeks that I would be moving here. The best way to describe it is that I'm temporarily relocating. How long I'll be here? I don't know. But what I do know is that I have a very nice 3-bedroom apartment to move into. It is completely unfurnished. We're going today to furnish it. I'm super excited. I'm gonna first start with an empty apartment tour and then we're gonna go shopping. Hello, come on in, welcome. So this, guys, is my new apartment and I want to show you around. I'm so excited to share this with you. Sorry for the echo, it's completely empty. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I'm going to be doing the interior design for this apartment, sourcing all the different furniture from IKEA to West Elm and everything in between. If you like this style of video, then please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you don't want to miss out on all my travel, lifestyle and fashion videos, hit that subscribe button below. Alright, let's get into the apartment tour. So as you walk in through the door, you come into this beautiful lounge area, lounge and dining, floor to ceiling windows on both sides, double aspect. We rented this apartment because it's in our favorite location here. It's next to all my favorite restaurants, La Petite Maison, Nusret, Zuma, Koya. It's all here. And Dior and Chanel are just downstairs. What more could a girl ask for? Of course, it's beautiful sunshine here, but there's also my favorite sports and activities around. There's a tennis club just opposite. There's beautiful places to go for walks. There's a beach for water sports. It has everything here. I really love the dark furniture with more of a contrasting white palette. I just think it's very cool and that's definitely the aesthetic I'm going for. But look at this marble flooring. I think my dream was always to have marble flooring, marble tops, marble everything. It's coming true. So this is the balcony. It's quite a small little balcony. I think for home workouts, you know, will be good. What do you think?
Definitely enough space for some cardio. No, maybe yoga.
Yeah, I think it's just enough for one yoga mat. You can't really catch a tan here. I would have personally designed it a little bit differently.
But it would be a little bit dangerous.
It would be a little bit dangerous. You'd have to go down here. We're not going to try that. Would you like to see the kitchen next?
Yeah.
Okay. I really like the black cupboards. That's very cool. What do you think? I love dark cupboards. Lots of appliances, Siemens. It's all Siemens appliances. I would have preferred Miele.
That's so.
Yes.
It's okay. I think you prefer Zoom anyway.
That's true. That's actually very true. Some people prefer gas. I like induction. It's safer for me when I'm cooking. Okay, then we come into this room, which is going to be the study. It's a study / guest bedroom. We're going to have like a sofa bed here and a little desk table, a few other little things. Quite spacious. If you compare to London, this is amazing. Such huge space for a study. So next I'm going to show you the master bedroom, but it isn't actually my favorite room. And I'm going to tell you why. It is definitely the most spacious room, but as you can see, where is the light? It's not southwest facing, therefore I do not get the perfect lighting all day for my filming. So that's why now I need 2 rooms, not just one. Here we have this brown.
Disaster.
This brown wallpaper. What? Why? Why? Anyway, I don't think we're going to redo it because that will be much more expensive and we don't know how long we're going to stay here for. So this bathtub, guys, is amazing. Look at the size of this bathtub. As you can see, it's the perfect size for 2. I think it was up there on my goals with the marble bathroom, marble flooring, was a huge freestanding bathtub. I am ticking off that list. 2 sinks, because one is never enough. A lovely rain shower in here.
Full length mirror.
Full length mirror. Guys, not not just one, but two walk-in closets. I actually think this one is a much better one, you know, for all my routines that I'm going to be doing.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Something like that.
Guest bathroom area and a nice beauty light. You always need that in a bathroom. The second bedroom, guys. This is bedroom number 2, and already we're on the other side of the apartment. And can you feel the difference? All this natural light, so nice. This is the smallest bedroom here. This is bedroom number 3. You can have a queen size bed here. Has a nice wardrobe. Every girl needs a bathroom with natural light. You need to see how you're doing makeup and everything, so amazing floor to ceiling windows in here. And the comfort cooling, oh, I love this. Here you have a little panel for lights, wall light, everything. So guys, this is the last room to show you, and this one, I want it to be my filming room. As you can see, loads of natural light, southwest facing, so gorgeous sunlight all day long. You have a secret area over here. And this is either the editing area or the filming area, but you have the light wallpaper in this area all the way around, gorgeous natural lighting. I could put my rail here and show you my outfit videos here. So guys, I just wanted to come into this little room, the alcove, and talk to you and answer a few of your questions, because a lot of you are asking me, why did you move? What's your big reason? Are you ever going to come back to London? What's your plan out here in the UAE? The last year has been a really challenging year in London with work, with the pandemic. I just thought, like, a fresh start, an opportunity, why not? I planned to return to the UK for Christmas to spend it with my family, but with the lockdown, I wasn't allowed. I ended up staying here and I just grew to love this place. At first, I found it quite isolating. It's very different. The skyline is different, the culture is different. Just felt very alien to me, and obviously a lot of my friends and family were not nearby, so it just felt isolating and a little bit lonely. And I was just like, oh, can't wait to get back to London. But then with the tier 4 and the lockdown, it was just impossible to return. And I just started to kind of adapt. I started going to Pilates here, I started making friends, and I have my partner here. It kind of all fell into place. I am very happy to move here. I'm a whole new experience and I'm just ready for it. I really hope you enjoyed this apartment tour and a little life update. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you like this style of video, please do give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. Come join for all my fashion, travel and lifestyle videos coming your way. See you soon.